Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Playmobil Cars is probably one of the most iconic toy lines, sparking joy and creativity in children for generations. These colorful, durable vehicles offer endless opportunities for imaginative play, from bustling cityscapes to exciting racetracks. Join me as we dive into the world of Playmobil Cars, exploring their features, benefits, and why they continue to be a beloved choice for kids and parents alike. Number 5. Playmobil Volkswagen Beetle, Special Edition. Take a trip back in time with this special edition Beetle. It's a perfect collectible for Volkswagen fans, with its chrome detailing and unique serial number. Keep this classic car in top shape. This set includes a toolbox, maintenance supplies, and washing gear, so you have everything you need. The car comfortably seats up to 4 figures. You can also use the roof rack to store luggage or remove it for interior access. This limited edition 1960 compact car is a must-have. This set is perfect for anyone who loves classic cars and wants to own a piece of history. Recommended for ages 5 to 99 years. It's a great gift for both kids and adults who appreciate classic cars and enjoy imaginative play. What we like. This special edition boasts chrome detailing and a unique serial number, making it a true collector's item. It comes with maintenance supplies to keep it in top shape. If you are a Volkswagen enthusiast or a collector, this is a must-have to add to your collection. What people say. The Playmobil cars are well made and durable. The details on the cars are great. The cars are easy to assemble. Number 4. Playmobil Volkswagen T1 Camping Bus. Get ready for your next adventure with this iconic van. It's perfect for planning your next road trip and creating lasting memories. This van is equipped with a mini kitchen and fold-down seating that converts into a sleeping area. It has everything you need for a comfortable camping experience. Remove the roof to access the camper's interior. You can easily seat figures at the table or behind the wheel. Open the side doors to reveal shelves and a vanity. This set is recommended for ages 5 to 99. It's a great way to encourage imaginative play and is perfect for collectors of all ages. The set includes 2 figures, the van, luggage, a map, a camera, food supplies, a thermos, cups, and other accessories. Pack away supplies in the truck and stow your luggage securely on the roof rack. Playmobil has been inspiring children and adults since 1974. High quality and durable materials ensure you will be playing with it for many years to come. What we like. This camping bus is equipped with a mini kitchen and fold-down seating that converts into a sleeping area. It has plenty of storage space for all your travel essentials. If you are planning a road trip or love the camping lifestyle, this bus is perfect for your Playmobil adventures. What people say. The attention to detail is incredible, from the iconic VW design to the miniature camping accessories inside. He loves all of the realistic features like the couch that turns into a bed, the fold-down tables, the windows, and the accessories. It is built well and has so many features of the camping van. Number 3. Playmobil Stunt Show Crash Car. Get ready for action with the Playmobil Stunt Show Crash Car. This versatile car is perfect for any stunt show. It can be used as a racing car or a stunt car. The car features interchangeable parts. You can swap the bumper, hood, and even the engine to customize it. This allows for different stunts and scenarios. Pair this crash car with the Stunt Show Motocross or other sets from the Playmobil Stunt Show theme. This will allow you to create a whole stunt world. The possibilities are endless. The set includes a figure, crash test dummy, flaming barrels, and a helmet. It also comes with other accessories to enhance the play experience. This set has everything you need. This set is recommended for children ages 4 to 10. However, it contains small parts and is not suitable for children under 3 years old. Please be aware of the choking hazard. What we like. This crash car comes with interchangeable parts, allowing for customization as a racing or stunt car. It includes a crash test dummy and flaming barrels for added excitement. If you love action and stunts, this car will bring thrilling crashes to your Playmobil world. What people say. Playmobil comes through again with a great set. Playmobil is always a great buy. This one is pretty fun and has pieces that can be customized. La calidad del producto es muy alta y sus materiales son excelentes, no ha faltado ninguna pieza y todas se han podido ensamblar de forma correcta siendo muy fácil su montaje hasta para un niño de 5 años con un poco de ayuda. Number 2. Playmobil Car Repair Garage. Need a tune-up? This garage is the perfect place. It has everything needed for car maintenance. The mechanic can easily check the undercarriage with the working lift. It makes oil changes a breeze. This garage is equipped with all the tools and equipment. It's ready to fix any auto issue. The rolling carts keep all the equipment close. This helps the mechanic work efficiently on each car. The set includes a mechanic, a convertible car, and many accessories. It is recommended for ages 4 and up. What we like. The car repair garage features a working lift and is fully stocked with tools and equipment. It includes a mechanic and a convertible car. If you enjoy role-playing and car maintenance, this garage provides a realistic and engaging play experience. What people say. As a mechanic, I love playing with my 4-year-old grandson. Has a lot of features but hard for him to assemble, but he will get better. Playmobil has the cutest toys ever for kids. Great for gifting and so easy and fun to assemble. My kids love them. Playmobil always have the great products for kids. Number 1. Playmobil James Bond Aston Martin DB5, Goldfinger Edition. Get ready for action with this iconic car. This Playmobil model is packed with secret functions, just like in the movies. It's perfect for any secret spy mission. Need a quick escape? This car has an ejection seat on the left side passenger seat. It's a thrilling feature that adds to the excitement of playing with it. Enemies, beware. This car is equipped with retractable tire cutters on all 4 tires. Don't get too close, or you might regret it. Remove the roof for open play. There's seating for a secret spy and a friend, or even 2 Playmobil figures. It's designed for imaginative play. This car is ready for any mission. It's a fantastic addition to any Playmobil collection, offering hours of fun and adventure. Get ready to create your own spy stories. What we like. This James Bond Aston Martin is equipped with an ejection seat and retractable tire cutters. It has secret functions for a secret spy. If you are a fan of James Bond or enjoy secret agent adventures, this car is the perfect addition to your collection. What people say. Playmobil has faithfully recreated the iconic Bond car in minifig size. The plastic parts are fantastic and click right together with ease. El modelo está excelente, el nivel de detalle muy fiel al modelo de la película con todo y sus gadgets del auto, Playmobil es garantía de calidad, no cabe duda que se sacaron un 10 al producir estos modelos de series de TV y películas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.